Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Kraken wallet. First, ensure you are logged into your Kraken account through a secure browser. Once inside, locate the Funding tab, usually found on the main dashboard. From there, you will choose the particular digital asset, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, that you intend to manage. This initial step is crucial for setting up your transaction. After selecting your cryptocurrency, click the Deposit button to reveal your unique Kraken wallet address. This address is a string of alphanumeric characters, essential for receiving funds. It is vital to copy this address precisely, perhaps using the copy icon provided. Double-check that the network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum, aligns with your external wallet to prevent any loss of funds. Now, switch over to your external cryptocurrency wallet or the exchange from which you are sending funds. Locate the Send or Withdraw function. Paste the Kraken deposit address you just copied into the designated recipient field. Then, accurately input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Always perform a small test transaction first, especially for larger sums, to ensure everything works correctly. Before finalizing, meticulously review all the transaction details, including the address and amount. This step is critical to avoid errors. You will likely need to complete a two-factor authentication prompt to authorize the transfer, adding an extra layer of security. Once confirmed, the funds will typically arrive in your Kraken account within a few minutes to 1 hour, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.